Now, so if you're on a very strict budget, you're looking to buy a 5-bedroom fully detached or semi-detached in Lekki Phase 1, then I've got the best deal for you. Right here, we are currently in a property which is a 5-bedroom semi-detached duplex. Comes with a large family lounge, a very spacious living room, also comes with spacious balcony and office space and a box room. It is in a well-secured estate and is selling for just 350 million. Now, this is one of the very interesting deals you can find in the market right now. Now, this property is very close to Ikoyi, very close to Ikoyi Link Bridge, just about 5 minutes away, and also very close to the international airport, about 20 to 30 minutes away from the international airport. Trust me, this is one of the best deals in the market right now. Join me on this tour while we show you this property. And if you're looking to buy a property like this or any other property in any interesting estate, you can reach out to me. My name is Adiola Sanusi. I am the best real estate guide in Africa, bringing you the best deals in Lagos, Nigeria. Join me on this tour. Let's go.
Oh, Father, tell me, do we get what we deserve? Oh, we get what we deserve. And where down we go, 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 go. Oh, where down we go, 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 go. So where down we go, 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 go. Way down we go. Oh, you let your feet run wild. Time has come as we all go down. Yeah, but for the fall, ooh, my heart, do you dare to look me right in the eyes? Yeah. Oh, 'cause they will run you down, down to the door. Yeah, someday we run you down, down till you fall, and they will run you down, down till you go, yeah, till you can't grow no more. And where down we go, 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 oh, where down we go, go, go. Say where down we go, oh, 'cause say we run you down, down till you come, oh, way down.